Hello guys, I am back and this video is just about progress or how far I've come since the last video, which was about finding passion for plants and stuff like that. And those are weeds, and this is the real thing that I grew. Like, this is the English giant green vegetable that I'm growing. So I'm just gonna show you this containers from last week, and it's been watered like almost every 2 days, even though I don't put my videos up every day or I don't record the whole thing. And here is my orange, my papaya, my grape, and now I have these 2 batches of plants that just came this week. I am so sorry I didn't show you the budding process, but there's this guy who was just showing me how to do. And here are dead leaves, or they are almost dead. They're not really dead, they are hard, and I don't know what's wrong with them. I think they are sick, so I'm just gonna cut them off the tree and put them on the dirt. Yeah, we are what we eat, guys. So here it is. Now I just wanted to look fresh, and just appetize. And look at this, how beautiful is it though? And look at this, I think it's a nachi tree. The leaves are so hard, and this is the grape tree from last week. Like, it's a new batch, and the leaves are just starting to grow. They had actually fallen off, just like this papaya tree. I don't know what's wrong with my papaya tree, guys. Oh, I felt like crying. But I am so happy with the progress so far. Look at how beautiful this guava tree is. It's really beautiful, and they have actually outgrown the plastic potties that are put in. Look at the grape, guys. Look at the grape. Like, I don't know, it's like almost a meter. Look at the papaya, just been there. Like, oh, look at those. I'm just so proud of myself that I could actually start something and continue with it without giving up. So right now I'm still using the kettle to water plants. I don't have a watering can, but I think this one can do, and I don't need a watering can. This is a good tool, guys. So here are the, like, look at the back. Like, it's so dry, guys. It's so dry. Look at this. There is actually a good comparison between those 2 plants, the first batch and the last batch. So right now I'm gonna water this, because I just keep on watering them so that the water gets stuck in the dirt or the soil, so that by the time I grow, it will be good. So I went to the neighbors, and guess what? The garden bug has actually cut them on. I'm so happy about this. Like, my neighbors are making a garden inspired by me. Look at the shoes, guys. Drip is forever. So they are making plots to grow vegetables. We are trying to do this food sufficiency kind of thing and supply ourselves with vegetables. Now I'm just gonna dig into the plot. Actually, they've given these kids like a plot each, and oh my god, it's just a lot of work digging. Don't think I'm so fast. It's just that I'm just like fast forwarding this video so that they don't take a lot of space on my phone, because once I finish editing, it just needs me to delete stuff on my phone. Even when I have like enough space, it just needs me to delete the apps. So how hard working is this woman though? It was so hot, guys. It was so hot. I mean, you can actually see it. Look at Shushu at the back. Latili. Yo guys, I've tried. I have actually tried. And we're actually now calling like a bigger man to come and help us with it. And here he is, helping and saying stuff, maybe stuff that we don't need to hear. So guys, excuse me, just a lot of digging, and I just wanna fast forward this so that we don't take more space, like I said. So you know what, you have to make plots like this, and then you keep on watering them, you know, so that the water can actually be held by the soil, or the soil can be able to hold the water for a longer period of time. And actually when we start growing this vegetable, it will be like the soil will be used to some of these things. After this, they are also going to add chicken compost and add manure. So I don't know what vegetables they are growing. I think they should grow carrots and beetroots because I don't have them, and also spinach. Oh my god, I love spinach, but I didn't have the seeds of spinach, so I'm just gonna grow whatever that I'm going to grow. Now let's listen to this guy's lies. I actually don't believe the story that he's telling, guys, so I'm just gonna pass. It's funny, it's what people do. But if you don't hear Setswana language, maybe you can just comment and ask me what he was saying. But it's like relationship stuff, you know, someone dating your sibling and stuff like that. Yo, I guess I don't know what to say, but I want to put on the voiceover. Look at this. They are done with digging and putting on manure and stuff like that. Anyway, we will be doing another video. So I'm back to my garden. I just want to boast about this grape of mine and everything else, and this little indoor garden. Actually, this shelter was just a shelter for like chickens, but they ended up taking out the chickens, or they sold them, I don't know. But I'm just happy to show you my garden. I don't know what's eating my papaya leaves, guys. Look at this. These are ants, but I know they have nothing to do with like the eating of leaves. There's some kind of worm that's eating this. So I'm just gonna remove this and put it back onto the plastic bag. Look at this, something is eating my papaya, guys, and if I catch it, oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look at this. So please subscribe, and I'm out of here.